Now I'm talking about the topic smart art. Here see how to go to the smart art, select the insert, go to the smart art. Here lots of the smart of shapes. You choose anyone. I can choose this one, the smart shape like this one. Okay, and here you can write this one, maybe any name, apple, banana, mango, the fruit's name. So you can choose and write the name. This is the smart art. How to go? See again, insert a smart art, and here choose. Now I'm cycle. Choose a last cycle. See this one. Put here. Okay, and here put. I am writing the animal name like dog, cat, wolf, tiger, lion. So this is called the smart art. Okay, thank you.